Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to split PDF into separate files. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is open our PDF in a Chrome window. To do this, we will right-click on the PDF and select the Open with Google Chrome option. Once the window is open, we will click on the printer icon in the top right corner of the screen. We will leave it set to Microsoft Print to PDF, and now in the Pages section we will click on Custom, and in the next box we will enter the pages we want to print. In this case, I will just print the first page. We will click on Print, and now we will be given the option to save the document. We will give it a name, and now we will repeat the process by selecting other pages. That's it! As you can see, if you open the documents you saved, they will be separated into the pages you specified. It's very easy. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.